Hi, this week we're going to start a two-part project and we're going to do something very exciting. We're going to do a white iris on a black background. So there's two things to learn here: how to do those wonderful dark shadows on a very dramatic white flower, and also how to put on this really deep dark background. And it's really good fun because I've added some inks to it, so watching that colour spread and move across the page is quite exciting. And I'm going to make this part of a bigger painting, so later on in the tutorials I will show you how to complete the whole painting. So I really hope that you enjoy this project and that you give it a go. And let's see some of those projects on the forum.